Making your base. To begin, start by measuring the total width and the depth of your case, and enter those dimensions on your worksheet. Your base is going to be made out of the same plywood that you use for your cabinet case. You're going to miter the ends and then reinforce those miters with spline joints. Get your material from the instructor and rib cut using the table saw your pieces to 3 1/4 inches wide. Once you have completed cutting the 3 pieces that will make up your base, go to the sliding compound miter saw, and on the end of each of your 3 pieces, cut a 45-degree angle. Your front piece is going to need a miter on both ends. Pull your tape from the mitered end and measure, mark, and cut your front piece to exact length. Using a combination square to mark a 45-degree angled line from your point gives you a visual reference to make sure that your angles are cut correctly. The length of your front should be the measurement from the point to the other point of your 2 miters. Now go cut your front piece to exact length. With the front piece cut to exact length, we now have to cut the 2 side pieces as well. So again, pull your tape from the mitered point and measure back to the length of each side piece. A combination square will mark a real clear visible line so that you can easily see what you're cutting off when you go back to the saw. It's time now to cut our splines. Go to the table saw and raise the motor all the way up. And start angling the blade by turning the side wheel. Once the blade is at a perfect 45-degree angle from the tabletop, you're going to get a miter gauge, a stop block, and a couple of spring clamps. Set the block so that the angled blade cuts into the face of your miter. Clamp the stop block using 2 spring clamps. At this point, have your instructor check your setup. Once you've been approved, it's time to cut your splines. Place each mitered end against your stop block, making sure you have one hand holding the material down and back against the miter gauge fence, and the other hand is going to be on the knob. Each one of your mitered ends needs to have a spline cut into its face. When done and you put your 2 pieces together, it should look something like this. Go get some pre-cut spline material and mill it to exact size. Using 90-degree corner supports and F-clamps, clamp up your base without glue and show the instructor. Let's get back in the shop and let's get back to building.